Well, it's, people talk about, oh, I never thought I would be part of a film series like this, but it's definitely true that an action film it was not the kind of thing I thought I would ever get to be a part of. So I'm very proud to be part of this, and I think it's probably the most emotional of the films that I've seen or been, that I've seen in the sequence. I think it's that the film can embrace so many different sort of registers of tone. It seems to be both serious and comic at the same time. It seems to be ironic but very passionate, and all of those different registers. It seems to be they found a form to embrace all of that, and I think that's what this one does as well.